We are back. We are back. We are back. Keeping it real fun, ladies. We are back with our May collab. Our May collab is memories for days. When I tell you this is memories, it is memories. I am so thankful for these collabs. The theme was picked by Julia from Accessorize Your Life. Please go check her out. These themes that she picked is taking me way back to the 80s, like way back, 1980, 81, 82. That's where they're taking me. Without further ado, today's collab is, it says, May, eye candy look. Choose any of your favorite candy. Create a candy eye look. We can speak as to whether or not we still eat this treat anymore, or do we keep a stash nearby? What is it about this candy that makes it your favorite candy? Well, as we do the eye look, I will tell you about the candy because I love that candy. And my hair is in one. I'm starting with a one plait because back in the 80s, and I used to put my hair up in one. That candy, when it was lunchtime, everybody run to that section of the schoolyard to get their tamon stew, their candy, their gum, and all of that good stuff. Well, one of my favorite candies was Charms Blow Pop. Charms Blow Pop was my favorite candy. And you would catch me on any given day with one or two of these. This is how everybody in the school, mostly everybody in the school who had their hair up, they'll put their hair up. This is how we put it in our hair. I would take it and stick it in my hair. You would always find me with two. I'm telling you, it's my favorite candy of all times. And back then, I went to a school in the early 80s. It was called Bertha C. Bush Shelter up in Bovoni in St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands. So now let us start our look. And you know I have to have one. I have to have one. Oh. The grape was the least favorite one. It was more number 4. I will tell you what number 3 was. But this is good. The memories this candy is bringing back, I love it. I love it. I love this. I gotta start the video. Okay. I used to do this. Now I can put the candy down. Now I know why I love it so much. My good Lord, this is good. Okay, I'll get back to the candy. It's hard for me to put it down because it's my favorite candy. But I have to start the video. I'm going to use 2 palettes. They're both Cara Beauty. Because I'm using 2 palettes because my 2 favorite blow pop lollipop candy are the colors I'm going to use. They're familiar colors, but they are my favorite candy. Oh my God, I still want that candy. I know I'm going to eat it. I went one place, I saw the loose ones No, they were in a pack. So I bought that. And then I went into another store and I saw this and I was like, yeah, this is good. This is backup because now I have the grape when I open, the cherry, the sour apple. So I am set for now. I'm going into this Cara Beauty right here and I'm going into this green right here in Cara Beauty. It's a brighter green, but it will represent what I'm talking about. In the inner corner, my base, I set my base. Maybe I shouldn't have because this green need to show up. Let me use my finger. See if I can get this green. This green is very light. It is giving me what I need. I just want it to show up on camera. And for that, I am using my finger for now. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, their information is in my description box. Please go into my description box, click the link, and it will take you to the channel so you can watch their videos. Go see what I look and Candy that they did pick. Let us see if we have any duplicates. The last collab we did with the bubble gum, we had duplicates. So let's see if we have duplicate candy. This is so interesting. I love these little themes are like memory lane. My God, I have not been to St. Thomas in a while. I have not been there in a long time. The school has to be, I guess the school is still there. I don't know. But I lived all the way close to the airport back then. And the school was all the way, we call it countryside. It was far from where some days I used to have to catch 2 to 3 buses to take me from home to school. And I would thumb a ride sometimes because once my dad dropped me to school, he has to go to work. Back in the day, you couldn't miss a day's work, you know. So he dropped me and I would catch the bus. Sometimes the bus comes and it's full. You cannot even get on the bus. So you either wait for the next one or you walk and thumb a ride. So some days I got home really late. And some days I get the bus on time. But it was not often. Most of the time I was thumbing a ride, catching a ride with somebody. They put me somewhere else. Before they pick you up, they'll say, we going that far, and you decide if you want to take the ride or not. And that's how I navigated St. Thomas back in the early 80s. But Bertha Siebel Shelter was a brand new junior high school. Bertha Siebel Shelter was my first junior high school. And then after that, the following year, my dad had me transferred to closer to home and I used to go to Winter Spinel. And I'm going into the other Cara Beauty. And I need this color right here. My favorite. Isn't that pretty? This is so pretty. Blow Pop is the cherry one. When lunchtime, when we head out to the place where they sell, the vendors were selling snacks, you had to be there early. Cherry was the first one that was sold out. And that was my favorite. So when I go to her stand, I always bought more than one. So the next day, if I don't get to buy another one, I would have one, a backup. I had a backup lollipop. Can you imagine that? Because I love the cherry one so much. And then as time went by, they introduced the sour apple. And boy, I had two favorites. So every day I bought two. One cherry, one sour apple. And I had those every day. I bought two. One for lunchtime and one after school while I walked to go catch the bus. The bus I needed, I had to go out on the main road to catch it. So I'd walk to the main road and catch that bus if I was lucky. Like I tell you, very, very rare I caught that bus. I can count on one hand in a week how often I got that bus on time. Because by the time I get there, there are so many kids waiting for the bus. There was no space. I would walk from the main road by the school if the bus passed and it was full, and then walk a good 1.5 miles to the other main road where I can catch a different bus. And the following year, my dad had me transferred to a school closer to the house, and it's called Winter Spinell. And in Winter Spinell, I would walk to school because it was not far from the house. 25 minutes from the house walking. You know, when you're little, you walk. Everything seems further away until you get old and realize, oh, it's not that far. But I was able to walk home from school and walk to school the following year. But now to answer the rest of the question for this look, it says, do you still eat this candy? Do you keep a stash around? I have not eaten a Champs Blow Pop until now filming this video. I don't keep a stash around, but this stash will be eaten by me because the memories are like so good having this candy. So yes, I am going to eat all of this as the days go by. Grape was number 4 on my list. Strawberry was number 3. Green apple was number 2. And cherry was number 1. And when you saw me in school back in the 80s, I had my hair either in one with 2 of these, or my hair in 2, like this, with 2 candies, 1 each. It was either a green apple or a cherry. So that is why my eye look here is green and a cherry color red. And my lips, my blush, for Charms Blow Pop, my favorite candy. And the reason why I love this candy so much is that after you finish eating it, at the end is the bubble gum, which I love the bubble gum back in the day. So Charms Blow Pop is my favorite candy. When you start eating a Charms Blow Pop candy, you just cannot stop. It tastes so good. Please remember to go visit the ladies that are taking part in today's collab. The information again is in my description box. Please go check them out, see what candy they pick and what eye look they create. I am thankful for you watching. Remember, always take care of self first. If you don't take care of yourself, you cannot take care of others. So take care of yourself in order to take care of others. Let the person that you're sharing this video to, let them know it is just not makeup. It is makeup with a message, with some encouraging words to lift you better than it find you. Until I see you and you see me, do something sweet for yourself.